Read the question carefully. A tube of length 1 meter is filled with an ideal liquid of mass 2m. We have a tube like this. Make a tube like this. Length 1 meter. Okay. Is
Yeah, sir.
filled with a liquid of mass 2m. Okay. And closed at both ends. This end is closed. And this end is closed. This tube is rotated uniformly in horizontal plane about one of its ends. Okay. This is the one of the end. And it is rotated like this. Okay. As per the question I am going. If the force exerted by the liquid at other end means this is the other end. Okay. Understood?
Yeah, sir.
Is F. Now we need to calculate this. Alright. We need to calculate this and accordingly we can find the angular velocity. Okay. Angular velocity is given under root F by this. Okay. We are asking the value of alpha. So simple like, very simple like. Consider a small element. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Consider a small element, liquid element. Okay. Its mass is dm. Clear? Clear? What is the volume of this small element? Dx. Its area is what? So mass will be area into dx. Okay. All right. This is what? Into density. Clear? Now on this small element, if you consider, if you look at carefully, when this is rotated, this liquid will apply pressure on this like this in this manner, P2, and this liquid will apply pressure will be like this. Liquid on the left side will apply pressure perpendicular because pressure is towards perpendicular area. It is always perpendicular to surface. So on this element from left side liquid will apply pressure like this, here like this. All right. Any doubt? Understood? And I just want to ask like, what is the direction of pseudo force? Centrifugal force, na? That will be what? Like this. Centrifugal force.
Okay.
How much mass of this element? And outside centrifugal force will be what? X omega square. R omega square, na? So when this small element is going to rotate, its radius is x. It is going to rotate. On this centrifugal force will be away from center. Okay. Understood?
Yeah, sir.
Now, you know frame of reference little bit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then if you sit here, okay, then according to you, this element is not moving because you are standing here only. Okay. This element will be at rest. So net force on this will be 0. So like this. Clear? Outside, this side. Okay, this left side. Net force is 0. Any doubt? So can I say that P2 minus P1 into A is what? Dm x omega square. This is the pressure difference. And what is dm? Dm is A, okay, dx. Rho omega square. Rho is the density of fluid. Any doubt? Clear?
No, sir.
Now you just tell me, is it that on this end, actually what is this? P2 minus P1 into A. This is what? Small force. Okay.
df.
A rho omega square x dx. Alright. This is
Yes.
a small force acting on this small element. If you need what? What they're asking? How much force acting on this element? This element. On other end. You tell me. On this other end, if I ask like on this other end, how much force is going to act? Then what I should do? Like tell me. What I should
Similar to this only, we should do the same thing.
No. Tell me. If I do the integration, then what I will get? Tell me. Tell me if I integrate that, then what I will get? I will get the total force. All right.
Ask. Okay, sir.
Tell me. Similar to that, I understand. Even if I ask like pressure difference, here from pressure difference, even I got P2 minus P1 is what? P2 minus P1 into A is what?
df.
A rho omega square x
dx.
A rho omega square x dx. Dx. Clear? This is what? P2 minus P1. There's small change in pressure. Okay? Into A. Understood? On this small element. Clear? If you multiply dp with A, then you will get a small force. Understood? Tell me any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir. Clear.
Okay. Now I need a total force. How much force you
So
will
we
do the
put that with.
integration?
Yes.
When x is equal to 0, force is 0. X is equal to L. X is equal to L. Okay, that is the length of tube. I want force here only. What is the force? Okay, F1 I can consider. Okay, I want X is equal to L. What is the force? I consider this is F1. Okay, this is X is equal to L now. I want that. Simple like. Is it clear? Actually, I'm going very slow because I want
Yeah, sir.
your 100% concentration. X square by 2, that is x is equal to 0 to x is equal to L. Understood? So that will
Yes.
be in our question they have mentioned that F1 is F. Okay. A rho omega square, that is L square by 2. Alright. So from here omega square will be 2F by A rho L square. Omega will be what? Under root 2f by a rho L square. Okay. Now what they're asking actually, omega they have mentioned under root f by alpha m. What they have mentioned, f by alpha m. Okay. Now tell me, this is a tube. Okay. This tube has a length L, liquid density is rho, and I think mass is mentioned like how much? 2m. Okay. And mass is mentioned like this. Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now see. Can I say mass is volume into density? Total mass. Volume is what? Area into length into density.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Then can I say this A, because here no L is there. A rho L. Can I say that is 2m? Okay. What is A rho L? That is 2m. M cancel. So that will be F by Ln. Okay. Is it that? Any doubt? Tell me, beta.
No, sir. Understood now.
So if you compare, then alpha will be what? Alpha will be okay.
Yeah, sir.
Give me 1 minute. First.
That's all, sir. Then. Yeah,
Okay.
that's all.
Now I am asking like a doubt session is benefiting you now. I just want to
Yes,
ask
sir.
you. Because
Yeah,
it
it
will
is
help
benefit.
you like overall revision life. That's why this exercise is highly important, because if you do this exercise, believe me, this will give you positive result. Okay, don't worry. Like this, everything will be revised. Okay.
Okay.
So thank you so
Okay, sir.
much. Thanks a lot.
Thank,
And
thank you.
start working on that. I have discussed first question paper, first PYQ. In the next class, I will discuss the next PYQ. Okay. Thank you. Thank
Okay,
you
sir.
so much.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.